RK Bhatra or KK Bhatra?
RK Bhatra.
They have informed the other side.
No, Your Lordship.
Let's try to inform the other side.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Before bringing an adjournment. So it's not available. Take the order. No, just if the order just inform us.
Okay.
It's a 17 man. One. It's October.
Much obliged.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention for listing, Lordship. I'm a CAP lot. Would you kindly matter with listing?
17. Mentioned before that.
Lordship, I will 17. I also mentioned, Lordship, today. He directed to mention in this court, Lordship. Who told the director?
You approach it. Approach.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 7 and 8. Adjourned for the day and fixed maybe 9th of May.
7 and 8 is what?
Case diary received, my lord.
Why you need an
The
adjournment?
senior counsel is out of his station here.
Senior. Who is the senior?
A.T. Sharkar. Kindly fixed maybe 9th of May.
Cannot say 9th of May.
48 is also, my lord, same case diary, my lord. Item number 48.
And 48.
The 48, my lord, not yet mentioned.
Oh, some other count.
Yes.
48 you are.
Yes.
Okay, we have received the case.
Yes, case diary.
Here.
All right.
Yes, what a code. 9, 8, 7 and 8.
7 and 8. Otherwise, my lord, case diary is available, my lord.
9 we cannot.
On 15th of, my lord, 15th of May, my lord. 15th. Then I may be allowed to thereafter again. I will, because 9th, my lord, it will be difficult. Call back the case.
Maybe 13. Monday. 13 April, 1-3.
1 April.
Sorry, May.
Can it be
On 14th of May, my lord. 14th.
So we can pass the order of retainment or
My lord, because my lord, investigation is
Update CTV.
in between that, my lord, police may also, my lord, possibilities that.
but the additional is there, another matter is also there.
Yes, Mithil.
So that matter is ready. Can dispose of that matter.
Yes,
So in that case, you return the case.
yes.
Are you on the
No, BA.
B.
Oh, sorry, it's a B. Okay, how many days you are behind the
59 days today.
mark?
He is the main mastermind, my lord. He both the accused persons, my lord. There are sufficient materials again.
Anyway, what is
Yeah.
it?
My lord, that Dharamtul PS case, your lord, they are about 37 lakh 80,000. The truck hijacking and they are
Truck
looting all. On 13th. Yes.
All right.
Your Lordship, with regard to item 13, as I was supposed to inform the other two sides, respondent 2 and 5 are here, Your Lordship.
I am for respondent number 5. Please respondent number 2. Economy.
You are for the respondent number 2.
I am for 5. 3 and 4 not completed.
But
3 and 4 not completed. That's why office
complete.
not complete.
Okay, after.
Much obliged.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, FIR is on page number 8, lordship. This is a land-related matter, lordship. In the page in FIR, there is no mention of my
Why is it page number 8?
8, lordship.
It's shown arrested on 19 to 24.
Lordship, in this case, lordship, in the FIR, it's a land-related matter, lordship. There is a preparation of fake sale deed. Here my name is not clear, lordship. In the page number 11, lordship, where is the forwarding report, lordship? Kindly go through, lordship. Forwarding report, lordship. Yes, sir. Details of the land lordship. Here the check that is received from the which was prepared by myself or Nikhil Sonadas during statement of the custodial arrested accused Nirahandra. This person, registered officer Hengenabari, confessed that he signed the fake deed and which was prepared by Nikhil Sonadas for his personal gain lordship. Here lordship, what had happened lordship? He has here the allegation is that I have not I have prepared the fake deed and the Nirandra has signed it. After arresting the Nirandra, it came to the knowledge of the police lordship, investigating officer lordship. Here in this case lordship, before going to another part lordship, I am behind the bar since 24/11 in various cases. This is the 11th case. In all the cases lordship, I am being granted bail lordship. In one of the cases, on 13, I was again arrested of this small lordship. The judicial magistrate has exactly similar matter lordship. The judicial magistrate has granted bail on the day of after custody after completion of custodial interrogation lordship. So lordship, I am being arrested again and again lordship. And again lordship, here lordship, this bail petition is not a bail petition lordship. It's only you can lordship consider as a parole application also. My mother is seriously ill lordship. I've stated in the petition also lordship. So and again lordship, and I'm 70 days behind the bar lordship. And again lordship, the accused Nirahandra was granted bail on the day of 22 days lordship. That the person who has given. If the I don't know whether the prosecution may ask for case diary lordship. In that case also lordship, I may be granted at least interim lordship. I am in all the 10 cases I am granted bail. Even the judicial measure is done in 4 days lordship. Lordship, maybe in interim lordship, I will again, because my mother is seriously ill, for 5 months I am behind the bar, 5.5 months lordship, in several cases lordship. Finally, and again the main accused lordship, while considering the bail petition of the Nirahandra lordship, lordship has considered that the investigating officer has got ample time to interrogate him. So lordship has granted bail the Nirahandra on the day of 22 days lordship. So the prosecution in all the time lordship is implicating me. I am the junior assistant lordship, but not implicating the other the big officer lordship, registered officer lordship. In all the cases, they are only in the High Court, in some other cases, but judicial magistrate, while appearing on the day of the day lordship, this case came up before your lordship because lordship has passed this order. So there is a judgment lordship, similar orders it becomes to this court lordship. So lordship, I am praying for today bail lordship, at least for some days lordship. I am stated in my petition also lordship. My mother is ill lordship. Para number 7 lordship. Para number 7 lordship. The petitioner begs seriously and not paying for it, and they therefore prays before kindly to consider bail before that he can be, or at least for some days lordship. I find lordship, there is no provision of in judicial custody. There is no provision of parole also to go to see mother also lordship. Here I'm pressing lordship 70 days behind the bar lordship. It's a prima facie lordship. Prosecution has no right has
Yes, in connection with this case, when you got arrested.
On 19 to 24
19 to 70
soon
days.
arrested, madam.
Soon arrested lordship. In earlier
In
case,
this case,
huh?
19-2.
19 to madam.
In this
No,
30 days.
bail which were 60 days. In this case, you are still behind the bar since 90 days. Or 70 days.
70 days lordship.
69 days.
69 days, no? 69 must 76, maybe. Today is the 70th day. Lordship, here, in the original case, I was arrested in 24/11. It is 5 months, Lordship. So, Lordship, kindly considering the parity, Lordship, parity, if Lordship do not want to consider the parity also, Lordship, I am praying for at least, there is a provision for Lordship has the power, Lordship, at least give them some relief, Lordship.
So, what is the election against it?
My allegation is that Lordship,
Your Lordship, may kindly come to page 11, my lord, ground number 2, last question.
Let me complete. My allegation is that I am the part of the racket, Lordship. I have prepared the fake deed. The allegation, Lordship. I am not admitting it, Lordship. The allegation is I am part of the racket. I have prepared the fake deed, and which was signed by the 100,000 who got the bail, Lordship. 1,000 1000 has signed it with knowledge, Lordship. So maybe in the trial, Lordship, maybe we all are part of this. We'll face the trial, Lordship. We'll cooperate, we'll investigate, we'll join the investigation. And behind the bar for keeping me, and in another case, Lordship, 5 months behind the bar, Lordship. And maybe, Lordship, with a humanity ground, Lordship, I'm praying for bail, Lordship. So I am sure, Lordship, they will pray for all SDRE, Lordship, all these days. Here, Lordship, in this 1000 case also, the prosecution has not given that much objection, Lordship.
Yes, what?
My lord, first of all, my lord, he is not only involved in one single that because my lord, in every case, my lord, every person is my lord different person, my lord. How fraudulently, my lord, he is a junior assistant of the office of the my lord sub registrar, and his argument that my lord other higher officials are protected, my lord, is absolutely not true, my lord. All higher officials who are involved in this case, my lord, all were arrested, my lord. Although, my lord, some of the cases, some persons were obtained bail after, my lord, judicial custody on different grounds, my lord. Here, from the statement of the my lord 1000 ground number 11 page 2, it is specifically stated that he is the person being a junior assistant, my lord. How he is involved not only, my lord, grabbing of land with other, my lord, persons, but he is directly involved in manipulation of government records, and those records were later on used in various, my lord, civil cases. And how, my lord, he is involved, my lord, in committing all these offences, and because of which, my lord, till now he is in jail, my lord. Not only one in single case, my lord, in many other cases. So my prayer before Lordship, my lord, at least
Here,
the CD
Lordship,
may be called for.
I have another aspect, Lordship. Here the cause of action is in a different way, Lordship. It all will be in one cases when the fraud detected in cyber PS when 2411, there it was detected, Lordship. The fraud was committed in the office of the sub registrar office. The cause of action was in the sub registrar office, Lordship. The cause of action in the same cause of action, Lordship. It will in either way, police has the power. Police has government.
Every possibility, everybody.
Okay.
That's fine.
Every person is different. Every person is so we are being arrested. But at the last part, Lordship, it will be because the cause of action is in the that is in the what is called judicial sub registrar office, Lordship. So my humble prayer, Lordship, at this stage, at the 70 days, Lordship. So I may be granted bail, maybe with them, maybe in interim, let the CD come. I will surrender, Lordship. In that way also.
What if she is suffering from?
She's saying actually she's not taking food, Lordship.
Uh,
No, I have not given any.
Doing any urgency case? Your mother is it that's different.
Lord, then also, Lordship,
But, I don't know. It's not
Lordship, considering,
any
huh? Huh? In the if Lordship goes to the merit of the case also, Lordship, here Lordship revenue appeal, this is purely civil in nature, Lordship. If Lordship goes to the merit, leaving aside the mother part, because I have not annexed documents, Lordship, which I forgot to bring, Lordship. They have stated, or I have stated it. So Lordship, if Lordship goes to the cause root of the FIR, Lordship, it is also purely in civil nature. Revenue appeal is pending, but police cannot arrest at this moment, Lordship. If we go for it, police has the every person has to file an application before the appellate court. Appellate court has to decide it. It is under the jurisdiction of the appellate court, Lordship. It is seized by the jurisdiction whether that document is fraud or not. Police has decided. Police, Lordship.
aspect in it.
That is a passing part.
Civil is there.
Lordship.
If suppose the fake document is by the civil case will be there, I don't disagree with. But it with the other part is that you made the fraudulent document, you prepared the fraudulent document, being a office staff or official.
Allegation is there.
Easily.
Allegation.
And-
Lordship, yes, for
do one thing, Bhattaku, can you give us a very short date?
Yes, otherwise
we can
because-
dispose of the finally dispose of, not on interest.
Yes,
That's what I am.
on Friday, Lordship.
on file because my lord, other cases were earlier listed for your lordship on 26/4. Your lordship has fixed those matter on because CD is in my lord court of my lord session judge probably. So on 15th of, but here BA my lord, I will try to get it and sorted as per
My
your
Lordship, 70 days behind the bar,
my
Lordship.
lord.
We are on that.
I again, Lordship, before I'm
try to
I'm
get
again
on,
again pressing Lordship one thing.
six,
I'm
five
again praying Lordship one thing. Lordship, can we go to the this can this 1000, the person who confessed my name, Lordship, was granted bail in parity, Lordship? Can it, after 70 days, what police will do, Lordship? What my Lordship, if what police, and again,
We can right?
Yes, my lord. On 6/5 my lord.
Friday.
Friday.
Friday. Yes, I will
Let's
try.
be
My lord.
on Friday. Okay,
Yes,
we are fixing on Friday.
Yes.
Friday. That's it, fine. Okay.
Obliged, Lord.
Lordship is the second bill application, Lordship, and his case, Lordship, 60 days and behind the bar, Lordship. And the agency that, Lordship, on the last occasion also, Lordship, I mentioned that my mother is suffering from several ailments, Lordship. Most agencies that, Lordship, I have a document, Lordship. Last few days, Lordship, she's not able to bother the pain, Lordship, the stone in their Lordship. And the doctor prescribed, Lordship, as soon as possible, Lordship, OT has to be done, Lordship. And this is my home, Lordship. My father also expired, Lordship. Only I am having on my mother.
For doing all these things, you should think about your family. Then
Lordship, in this
they are not
Lordship,
responsible for that.
Lordship, in the 2 minutes of submission, Lordship, in this case, Lordship, only Lordship having the babe have been recovered from my team, Lordship, but the section 395, I was not involved in that very luckily, Lordship. Only thing is that, Lordship, few things recovered from my home, Lordship. I fully cooperate the investigation also there, Lordship.
But why those were the people not by, I mean, those goods.
Yes,
But directly unloaded in your house.
Lordship, I am
Was directly unloaded in your house. It may be anything.
not from my house, Lordship.
Otherwise, how the Isaac will directly unload those that are not in your house?
Lordship is the allocation. Lordship, we are thinking about Lordship. One of the person firstly come to my home, Lordship, as I stated on the last occasion also there, Lordship. After that, I am dealing in the in that, Lordship. This is not, Lordship, without having anything, Lordship. I am just telling the things, Lordship. I am dealing in that, Lordship. I am getting the things by paying an amount, Lordship. By paying an amount, Lordship, I am receiving the same things, Lordship. But the thing is that that person also, the man accused of this case, Lordship,
How you paid the money? On what mode you have paid the money?
on the same person, Lordship. When
How? On what mode?
on case,
On cash.
but the thing is that,
There is
Lordship,
no,
Yes, my lord.
but, Lordship,
if you
but
pay
that
such huge quantity of money on cash, definitely the question
but that much amount is,
realized. No?
Lordship. Yes, sir. Lordship, my submission is that in this case, Lordship, the main accused, Lordship, he belongs from the same village. He only having the thing is that, Lordship, that times I became innocent. That person had given the guarantee, Lordship. I feel that, Lordship. Here the next item number 7, Lordship. Only that very person, he is the man accused in this case, Lordship. Only having the reason of that, Lordship, I received the same, Lordship. But I was not involved in their, Lordship. 60 days, Lordship. Here my judicial custody is not necessary because, Lordship, all the investigations should be on the behalf of his completed, Lordship. My thing is that, Lordship, 60 days, Lordship. And I am the person, Lordship. I have stated in paragraph number 9 and 10, Lordship. Please have, Lordship. Paragraph number 9 and 10, Lordship. I stated there, Lordship.
Only
Lordship.
stated, my lord, no document connect, my lord, here.
Yes, Lordship. That's why we are not NC, Lordship, because on the few days, Lordship, this NC, I am annexed there, Lordship. I have the given on their, Lordship. Is from the Pragat Hospital, Lordship. Operations is 12.5 mm, Lordship. The stone is there, Lordship. She is not able to bothering the same. My thing is that, Lordship, no one having the major person in my family members, Lordship, to take the responsibility of that, Lordship. And I should have to be manage the money also there, Lordship. But the same thing is not, Lordship, 60 days. Why should my custodial detention is necessary in this case, Lordship? Because, Lordship, in this case, Lordship,
I don't know how much. No,
Lordship, my only having a submission in that, Lordship, in this case, only 60 days is there, Lordship. And the main thing is that, Lordship, here the grounds is that my mother, Lordship. Here,
Why
if the
60 days is there?
60 days, Lordship.
15 and
no, 59 days, my lord.
I was arrested on 1st March, Lordship.
1st March.
Yes, Lord.
58 days to be. Because earlier listed on, my lord,
Lordship, my
26.
forwarding is the 1st March, Lordship.
Yes, then error.
No new ground, my lord, regarding those medical documents not annexed in the petition, my lord. Still, my lord, those articles not yet recovered. Immediately after, my lord, hijacking of the truck, and thereafter immediately on that night itself, my lord, unloaded in the residence of the thereafter he, my lord, by selling those, my lord, super is also, my lord, gain lot of money, my lord. He is directly involved, my lord, and no new ground, my lord.
Lordship, I have one submission there,
And
Lordship.
some of the accused yet to be arrested, my lord. Those articles are yet to be recovered, my lord. Okay.
So I have only one submission, Lordship. Yes, Lordship, this is the fact, Lordship. They unloaded their Lordship. Only having a result what they stated their Lordship, that the main accused Lordship, he belongs from my village Lordship. But in their Lordship, that's why Lordship, I also believe on that very person Lordship. Another thing is that a co-accused has to be arrested in this case. If this is pending Lordship, I'm 60 days their Lordship. They have taken me on the remand also their Lordship. I have given all the statement, they recorded Lordship. Now Lordship, unnecessary, my judicial custody. Now, only having a region of that, there's Lordship, hereby even say, I'm not able to annex the copy, Lordship, because the emergency should be not at that time, Lordship. I'm given this is the having a record of the hospital, Lordship. I'm given the Lordship.
Where is it? Any say you see the, I mean, the sonography report. That part is
Yeah. No, Lordship, I have Lordship. This is not good.
kidneys are normal,
Lordship,
circulation is normal.
I've given it. Ready.
Gallbladder is well distended, but it's normal.
Lordship, this one, Lordship.
Everything is
Lordship, only I started, Lordship. Lordship, only thing is that she is not able to bother the pain, Lordship. This 12 Lordship. Or nobody in my home, Lordship, there's a major person, Lordship. They have taken the responsibility of that, Lordship. Only for this, Lordship. Because, Lordship, my mother totally depend upon me, Lordship. 60 days I'm behind the bar, Lordship. All things should be unnecessary. Judicial custody is nothing really in this case, Lordship. Only a prayer of that, Lordship.
Only, my lord, 2 tablets prescribed, and my lord, surgery.
Lordship,
needed surgery.
this is,
easier.
Lordship, my prayer is
Two
that,
tablets are on the prescribed.
but, Lordship,
Your
their
report is also
OT is
normal.
necessary. She is diabetic patient, Lordship. She is,
He is also normal. Abdomen whole and report is
okay, urgent need for the OT is the
urgency.
Lordship, urgent need for the OT is prescribed, Lordship.
Where?
I know, Lordship, how my mother is suffering there, Lordship. I know, Lordship. Because 12.5 is, Lordship. How she is suffering in the home, Lordship, I know, Lordship. My share is that, Lordship, only 60 days, Lordship. Nothing. In this case, Lordship, why should the reasons of judicial custody is needed in this case, Lordship? Already, all things recovered from me, Lordship. I'm behind about 60 days, Lordship.
Recovery is completed from the house.
No, no, my lord. No,
Whatever is good for myself, Lordship, they have to visit my home also, they visit my shop
only
also,
till now,
everywhere,
only
Lordship.
5,760 kg recovered out of 15,000 kg. 15,000
From
kg.
him.
From him, my lord,
18 notes of bag, Lordship.
18 packs.
18 notes of bags of recovered from
And
my.
he thereafter also sold all those, my lord, 18 bags of, my lord, total
18 notes of bag on the last order also there, Lordship.
1612 kg recovered from him.
18 notes of bag lost to recover from my possession, Lordship.
Case 20, my lord, earlier rejection order also specifically mentioned, and the same, my lord, this is also available in that.
Police visited to my home also there, Lordship. My shop also there, Lordship. There no any places there, Lordship. Here, only the thing is that, Lordship, whatever the part is recovered from myself, Lordship. Only having a region of that very person also belongs from my village, Lordship. But, Lordship, in this case, nothing should be from my possession right now, Lordship. Why should the judicial custody need that, Lordship? I'm a local person here, there, Lordship. I'm a local person. And there's no any reason of dumping the bail here also there, Lordship.
index weight, Governor.
My lord, total 18 numbers of bags of Americanos. Total weight is 1612 kg.
How many days were
60 days, Lord.
no. How many days were police remand?
3 days, Lordship. 3 days they will to come in, Lordship. Also, here I have not confirmed, Lordship.
In police remand for 14 days, my lord. As per order dated page 16. Wording.
Fine. It is Board of Stenographer and one advisor. But when but okay, so granted this. Wait,
Right.
can declare
Pending the CGM Morigaon, Lordship.
is a motive.
Agent,
Hello. Morning.
Please, Your Lordship. In this case, I was informed yesterday that they are going to take time because Senior Counsel Mr. B. Datta is indisposed today. He hails from Tinsukia. And
You're for the response.
I am for the respondent 126.
Just present.
They are not. They were supposed to mention this item, but I don't know what happened. Can it be fixed on 5th of June, Your Lordship?
So it's
J. Das.
depending on the
Respondent 126.
people of the
5th of June.
like
Highly obliged.
Maybe. The statutory appeal against the judgment and decree dated by 9/11/23 passed by the learned civil judge, senior division Mike, whereby my the suit was partly decreed. So for declaring that the judgment and decree dated 5/9/17 is null and void, but consequential relief as sought for therein has been rejected.
so it was partly
Partly. So accord may be called for my as it. First appeal, since it is the first appeal.
yeah.
Fine.
Sorry. Uh, 41 against decree 9/11/2023 passed by this senior division Bongaigaon. It's number that is TS number 41 of the whereby this could of the appellant test was filed. Issue notice to the court. This and not this recording.
Record may be called from.
Yes, I have called for that.
Highly appeal.
Is the first appeal against the order passed by the Thane Trial Court, my lord, kindly see page 49, order dated 29/1/2024, my lord. The father-in-law and the mother-in-law of the appellant, my lord, filed a suit before the, my lord, trial court, my lord, stating that, my lord, one vehicle, my lord, truck, is purchased by the son of the, my lord, and husband of the petitioner, my lord. And said truck was made accident, my lord. And in that accident, my lord, husband died, my lord, on the spot, my lord. And thereafter, my lord, Zimma petition, my lord, filed by the petitioner, my lord, appellant, and the learned, my lord, court, my lord, has given Zimma the petitioner, my lord. And thereafter, my lord, father-in-law and mother-in-law filed the suit before the, my lord, trial court, my lord. And along with the injunction, my lord. And stating that, my lord, the petitioner appellant, my lord, trying to transfer the vehicle and the insurance amount, my lord, and without giving it them, my lord. And now the alleged vehicle in the under garage, my lord, and due to injunction order, my lord, insurance company has not given any amount to repairing the cost of the vehicle. and due to that injunction order, my lord, the vehicle is not, my lord, transport, my lord, or transfer, my lord, in the name of the appellant, my lord. And it is a moving vehicle, my lord. If the, my lord, vehicle is, my lord, restrained for transferring or transporting, then, my lord, it is, my lord, automatically damaged, my lord. And, my lord, I approach before this challenging that order, my lord. Other benefit I am, my lord, given, my lord, I am no objection, my lord. It, my lord, the trial court as well as this court, my lord, granted, my lord. But, my lord, so far as the vehicle is concerned, my lord, is the running value in the garage till
What was
2021
the other relief? It is the injunction petition.
injunction petition.
Other one? The main suit is there.
Sir, restrain the respondent number 2, opposite party number insurance company to pay the amount, my lord. Personal accident claim, my lord.
That was also restrained.
Restrain, my lord. At least, yes, my lord, I may be allowed to, my lord, running that, my lord, vehicle, my lord.
You have to hear. But the order cannot be passed.
Order, my lord, 29/1/2024, my lord. And initially, interim order was passed for 1/10/2022, my lord. To the petitioner restraining the opposite party from transferring, transporting, and alienating the vehicle number 7 and restraining the opposite party number 2 from making payment of
TS, you have not, I mean, for the title suit, the plaintiff and WS, you have not annexed it.
my lord. They
have not
have
annexed
annexed the plaint also, my lord. It is the initial stage, my lord. Till that, my lord, no evidence has been.
No,
My lord,
they are not on evidence.
no, my lord.
Okay.
My lord, kindly see page 22, my lord. Title suit, my lord. I have annexed plaint, my lord.
This is the plaint.
Plaint. I am the defender number 1, my lord. On that title suit, my lord.
So after the death, you have not made party to the other side, na?
My lord. After
His deceased father and mother were not made party. Earlier.
in this case, my lord.
Huh?
In this, I met party, my lord.
No. Now we have made party. In the earlier case,
No, my lord.
MSC, I mean the MSC one, that one. In that case, you have not made party.
No, my lord. After death of my husband, my lord, the title suit has been filed, my lord.
What is the cost and recovery of 9,71,000? It is what?
Allow the schedule amount to movable. It is the amount, my lord, the personal insurance for claim, my lord.
Insurance claim. Also.
Insurance claim.
This is an appeal against under order 3, Rule 1, Level 1 of CPC against the order dated 29/1 by Director in Wednesday, December 1/19/2022, arising out of statute suit number 72. considering the submission made by the counsel for the appellant, is admitted. Notice to the respondent number 1, 2, and 3. Not open for the accident. What is the IA for?
I will stay of death order, my lord.
So, what kind of stay? Why you need this stay? Because you are restrained only. That much.
Restraint, my lord.
Sir?
But due to
But
that,
there was no execution, nothing short of that to be stayed.
but
You are restrained, and that matter may be heard finally.
that,
Okay. Yes,
it may be observed.
obliged. Steps on respondent.
May Premier, this is a statutory appeal by the insurance company. We have challenged the liability here. May kindly admit the appeal and LCR may be called.
So the others have
have
already
appeared for claimant respondent 1 to respondent 1 to 4 for claimant
1 to 4 for the claimant. And is there any other respondents? No.
So there are owner and driver 5 and 6.
They were expert in claim case, my lord. In that
No, but
moment.
here they are still party.
Yes.
Have you? What is the service report? Is there any?
No, this is for the first time we have come.
Okay. You should notice, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
4 and 5.
Yes.
So you are appealing for 1, 2, and 3.
1 to 4.
1 to 4.
But you may admit the appeal.
I have some. I may be heard manual regarding the admission. They have filed the appeal. They have not stated why they have filed the appeal. They have filed the appeal only on one paper, my lord. That is the statement of one statement of the driver, which was not proved in the court, and he was not even called in the witness box. Neither the investigator who have taken this statement, he also not come to the witness box. Only just they have adduced, they have just exhibited the statement of the driver. Only on that ground, mainly, they have filed the appeal. Already it has taken 8 years, my lord.
My lord, on the grounds we have already stated that our pleaded case is that even in our WS we have stated that there is a delay of 106 days in lodging the FIR. So we have stated that this is not a trustworthy case. The burden shifts to them to prove the case, the genuineness of the involvement of the vehicle matter. Then in their cross, when we put the specific question, they answered that they didn't know how they came to know about the involvement of this particular vehicle. Then it was incumbent on their part to call for the investigating officer to prove the documents which are police papers. They did not. Therefore, this appeal requires examination by this, deeper examination by this court. Therefore, the appeal requires to be admitted.
So basically, your ground of challenger
involvement of the vehicle, and therefore we are not liable. That is what we are submitting. So today is the first day. I am asking only for admitting the appeal, and I have a stay prayer also. This is IS Civil number 1224 of 24. The impugned judgment and award may be stayed.
And also your miss clear.
My lord, regarding state, 50% may be deposited.
Your good name?
Dipal Dastroy, DD Roy.
DD Roy. This one number 1 and 4. Then statutory appeal under section 172 of the MP Act against the judgment and award dated 7/2/2024, passed by the learned member MCT 34 Kamrup M in MSc case number 1721/2016. Appeal is admitted. Call for the essay and also notice to the respondent number 5. And no formal notice is served on the respondent number 1. The copy of may be served to the respondent number 1 to 4 during the course of the day if not be served. List accordingly after 2 weeks. So what was the award?
50% merely.
No. What was the award? Award amount?
Award amount is 44,87,000.
44 lakhs.
87,000.
50% may be deposited with interest, my lord, from the date of filing to till.
No, not interest.
Not interest. Why is challenging this one, na?
Yes.
Heart so and also Heart Ms. Roy, council for respondent number 1 to 4. This is an application for stay of operation of income. Judgment in order dated 17/2024, passed in MSc case number 1721/2016, 1721/2016 by learned member ECT Kamrup M. It is submitted by Mr. Bhattacharya at 5 against the student for the made for stay of the judgment award dated so the learned tribunal awarded the company of fees 44,07,000. Stay with in respect of the affidavit verification of sales. Okay, the ST will be directed to
Allow the claimants to release
with
the amount, my
after
lord.
proper verification.
Release
You
the amount, my
pay
lord.
within 6 months.
Obliged.
My lord, LCR may be called and
Yes, we have already covered.
yes.
Much.
I
That's okay.
May I please be, my lord. My lord, this appeal is prepared by the claimants. Claimants appeal, lordship, and for enhancement of compensation, lordship. So appeal may kindly be admitted.
it is for enhancement.
Enhancement, lordship. Appeal may kindly be admitted and records may kindly be called for. Against the judgment of the award of MSCT 2.
Heart Mr. A.R. Agarwal, the learned counsel for the appellant. With an appeal under section 170 of the MBX against the judgment and award dated 12/2/2024, passed by the learned member MSCT number 2 Kamrup M in MSc case number 1996. It is submitted by the learned counsel Mr. Agarwal that the present appeal has been filed challenging the quantum of the award. Appeal is admitted for hearing. Issue notice to the respondents to register agent and as usual process. Also call for the LCA accordingly after 4 weeks. As on date to be fixed by the okay.
Appeal may kindly be admitted, lordship.
Yes, I think.
May I please. My lord, I have deposited the post, my lord. By demand of 26.
Order of cost was passed by
5,000 passed in IA, my lord.
I.
Delay control.
Miss case 995 of 14.
The order was 22nd of March.
My lord.
आइए वो डिले के लिए था ना वो तो कहाँ है आपका एम चौधरी में
Cost was for 5,000.
My lord.
Yes.
अपनी लिस्ट
Demand.
नहीं
You have an lengthy copy of demand document.
Oh, no, my lord, but I'm copy are not connected.
Okay.
But my lord, they have received it.
Yes.
क्या कंपनी में लगा दिया
Our Mr. J.C. God, Learned Council for the Appellant, and also Art
एल शर्मा
L. L. Sharma, his name is not here, no?
एल शर्मा
L. Sharma here for respondent number
वन माय लॉर्ड
1.
and she is for respondent number 5 my lord
MS M. Chaudhary for respondent number 5. District Court, the Learned Council for the Appellant also submitted a receipt of rupees 5,000 by rupees 5,000, which was deposited through demand draft number 828854 by order dated as per direction as per order dated 2024 while passing the while following the deed in miss case number 995 2004. It is an appeal this is in 170 of under the MPH against the judgment and award dated 10/7/2009 passed by the Learned National and Sitting Judge FPC number bracket member MCT Kamrup Guwahati in ambit case number 479/2006 court and of court. Appeal is admitted as the cost has already been paid. So issue call for the HCM also issue notice. How many respondents are
my lord SCR already received my lord
My lord.
Okay, has already been received.
My lord,
Please
can
notice
only
other
two,
respondents.
my lord, I have a prayer for deleting the name of the other respondent, my lord, 2 to 4. And that prayer was allowed.
One and 5 are with
Oh,
us, and 2,
2
3,
4,
4.
my, 2
honor
to
is
4, my lord.
also honor is also necessary party my lord but
No, my lord, I filed this appeal in 2014, my lord. Notice could not be served in the condonation petition also, my lord. So it has taken more than 10 years, my lord. So I prayed for, my lord, that the name of the owner. Ultimately, my lord, if I succeed in proving my case against the insurance company,
let
my lord.
it maybe fixed
So,
for
my lord-
hearing my lord admit my lord no problem my lord
No,
it may be
it
admitted
has to be heard. So, my lord,
It's not on that. He is saying that 2, 3, 4.
My
yes
lord.
my lord
They may take another 10 years for some notice. That's why he wants
Yes, my lord, that's why my lord,
delete the name of those.
their name may be
but
deleted.
honor is necessary party
No, owner is not necessary. My lord, ultimately, my lord, if I succeed to prove that the vehicle was insured, then the claim has to be satisfied by the insurance company, my lord. So, and my lord, there is also a provision in CPC, my lord, that if the case proceeded ex parte against the party in the trial court, my lord, then that party is not a necessary party in the appeal, my lord. Only the
If she is submitting that owner may be a necessary
no
party.
owner may be necessary party, my lord, but unless it is served, my lord, the already 10 years has already my lord taken this because they are from West Bengal, my lord. Now whether their
It
address
may be
is correct
served
or
with
not.
substitute manner, my lord.
No substitute minor, my lord. I also try, my lord, in the cantonment, but my lord, it cost about 45,000 at that in the. So my lord, earlier I got the order from this honorable for a substitute service, my lord. But then I have to file another petition for recalling that because my lord, my client has not been able to pay 45,000 for paper publication. So that.
Okay, at his risk, we will be deleting.
Yes, ma'am. No problem.
After considering the submission, council for submitted that the response number 2, names of response number 3 and 4 to be strike off. That's it from the post development memo of appeal, as they are not the necessary part more so. Steps of already took 10 years and then wait for deleting the name of the response number. The names of the respondent number and 4 are thereby strike off that deleted from the post development memo of appeal at the risk of the applicant. LCA has already been received. List the method for hearing.
My lord.
For LCA Rahana, they have submitted that LCA has already been received.
LCA not my lord, in the condolence petition LCA.
It may be
So you have
for my lord.
submitted that LCA has received where?
My sister has submitted, my lord. I am not.
It may be called for my lord.
LCA be called. Please record immediate after.
My
Public.
Method cost of calculating delete for in answer for program the effective delivery file it posted number ikot pakai
May please your lordship. This matter may be taken up on next week, lordship. Today I am going to file the Wakalatnama, lordship, on behalf of respondent number 1 and 3 and 4, lord. So
you are for respond number?
All the respondents.
All
lord.
respondents.
Yes.
You represent all respondents.
All that.
They all are
3 and 4 are minor law. So respondent number 1 will represent.
hard Mr.
AMS Majumdar.
MS?
AMS Majumdar.
Hard Mr. AMS. And also hard Mr.
NH Borbuyal.
NH Borbuyal appearing all components. And it is submitted that they are going to file the Wakalatnama this week according to frame to this demand after a week. Okay, then after week, 1 week.
A date may be please, my lord. The matter relates to the custody of the children.
Jan 5.
Okay.
This according. None appears on board for the appellant. List accordingly after 2 weeks. none appears on call for reappointment. It's accordingly after 2 weeks.
May I please, Your Lordship. Lordship, as per office note dated 18/3/24, Lordship, the address of the respondent number 3 is insufficient, Lordship. So, Lordship, we will take dusty service against the respondent number 3 at regional office situated at Guwahati itself, Lordship. Regional office, Lordship. And Lordship, LCR may be called for, Lord.
Was called for, we will send the reminder.
Lordship.
Mr.
A. Brahma, Lord.
A. Brahma. Council for the happen. So, last occasion, 27/6/2020, we were directed to respond number 3. Thereafter, have not taken.
Not taken, Lord.
Put the problem. And after 4 weeks,
After 4 weeks. After 4 weeks. Much open.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I'm extremely sorry. I'm for item number 11, Lordship. Actually, my scene is on leg at C20. We may be allowed to take press steps, Lordship.
In item number 11?
Yes, Lordship.
Item number 11.
Yes, Lordship.
For
Upon
1, 5, and again
9 to 21, Lordship.
9 to 20.
B. Hajarika on behalf of R. Chaudhary.
Appearing on behalf of
R. Chaudhary.
R. Chaudhary. As for Oxford, 27 feet. 40 number 1, 5, and 9. 40. Number 1, 5.
9 to 20.
Here, LCR.
Yes, Lord.
LCR.
LCR receive, Lord. Interim may be continued.
Interim was there?
Yes, Lord.
Where interim order was passed on? Interim order was passed on when?
On the very first date, Lordship, 14/6/17, while issuing notice, Lordship. And that was till returnable date.
All right. Okay.
Lordship, may I point out one thing? In this case, Lordship, while filing, we have not served copy to the government. So their name was not shown for 678, Lordship. So if your Lordship permit, copy is already
for this
ready.
itself, our name is not shown as because copies were not furnished to us.
6, 7, and 8.
Yes, Lordship, 678. So copy already ready, Lordship, will serve within the course of the time, Lordship.
So registry may be directed to reflect the name of J. Assam for respondent number 678.
Not so. What?
Obliged.
May it please your Lordship? Your Lordship, in this case, your Lordship may peruse the Honorable Court order dated 31/3/2023, your Lordship. In this case, on that earlier occasion, your Lordship, we had made a prayer to tag both the cases together, your Lordship, so that services can be deemed upon respondent number 1 and 2, your Lordship. In item number 15, your Lordship, service is already completed upon respondent number 1 and 2. Both are analogous cases arising out of the same accident, your Lordship.
One complete.
Lordship. Respondent number 1.
Item number 15.
Yes, your Lordship. In item number 15, respondent number 1 is duly served and respondent number 2 has already filed your wakalatnama, your Lordship.
3 is not it, sir. 3 is not it, sir.
Yes, your Lordship, but respondent number 3 may be struck off, your Lordship, in both the cases.
Respondent number wakalatnama 5.
Yes, your Lordship. In item number 15, at the delay stage, your Lordship. AJ Hajarika, respondent number 2.
Item number 14 is an IA with MSC 17.
Lordship, that is in item number 14, delay is not condoned, your Lordship, as services were not completed. But in your Lordship, item number 15, delay has already been condoned, your Lordship. Appeal is admitted.
So 67 is basically delay control.
Lordship, it has come up for condoning the delay here.
So what was the delay?
Delay of 65 days, your Lordship.
65 days.
Yes, sir.
And you have mentioned your ground in which bed?
That is in para number 2, your Lordship. That is due to basically
Para
official
two.
para 2, your Lordship.
delay due to official.
Yes, Your Lordship, official delay.
I number is 7 number 7 number 5. The case number the order is why I have it 5 but yet not 5 for number see that by order date one that I cannot the distance along with the MSC number 18. As the OTF rising up of same same and out of same judgment also.
Yes, yeah.
Out of same. That file it's fine. Put message for one. See. Like that. It's a that it is a bit on the one. One. So you got national insurance company.
Lordship.
So what found you to take file application?
Lordship.
You are in national insurance company.
Yes, Lordship.
The accident is same.
Yes.
The out of same judgment and award also. And the appeal number, the response number 1 and 2 are also same. Then why you have filed two?
One is file, that is, one is injury case, Your Lordship. That is MSc appeal number.
So injury to both.
Yes, 7 of 2018. One is filed by the claimant for the injury sustained by her, and the other is filed by the claimant for the death of her son, Your Lordship.
There were two
Yes.
two petitions.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Before the MSC.
Yes, Your Lordship, two petitions.
One is filed by
The claimant herself, and one is filed by the claimant for the death of her son, the son, Your Lordship.
maybe late budget subject that it will remember the topic that for bit back of the of that memo of that of the memo that that application I did it but or but of water that is it but before only as it only that it some time for of the of but what is the next part happens by by this and what you but like of what no for that what not right that what I but now that is of happy I what what like a meant the that not mentioned for delay of 75 days. But, no, MSF already applied it number 8. Number above it's bill number 7. Okay. Third, or third, IX 7. Okay. The 170 caused by water chemistry 4 5 4 5 number 1. We have to observe the formula.
Yes, Your Lordship. Respondent number 1 and 2, we will take steps. The respondent number 3 has already been struck off. Yes, Your Lordship.
Number 1 and in view of order passed in IA 7. See, 7 the name of the one of the name of the project number 50 cost approximation happened with 45 Except we have received other also for 40 days. This record.
Lordship, there is an I for state in this case. In this case, Your Lordship, we are denying the policy, Your Lordship. We may be exempted from making any deposit, Your Lordship, at this stage.
So we are not going to, we are not
Lordship, yes,
pay
yes.
50%.
Yes, Your
And then the matter be heard. If I come to item number 18,
Item number 50. Appeal is already admitted, Your
we have
Lordship.
not received PLC yet.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So here also you want to strike out the name of respondent number 3.
Yes, Your Lordship.
In item number 30. It is submitted. That what that respondent number 3 is record however,
Obliged.
I
May I speak on that? Lordship, service is completed. Completed. Answer is also received. Lordship,
So you are appealing for?
Sole respondent, my lord.
Sole.
Yes, ma'am. Let the matter may be fixed for hearing, my lord.
second week of June.
You are
R. Kakoti.
are appealing for?
For the BGR, Bongaigaon Refinery. Appeal and
the HF authority. After 2 weeks you do or after 3 weeks?
3 weeks, first week or second week of June.
Second week of it's on
30.
Obliged.
May it please your lordship. Your lordship, may kindly see the order dated 12/5/2023 initially. I'm for the school respondent.
12/5.
12/5. The appellant says that there was a compromise talk, but we did not have any notice about this. That's why he took 4 weeks time to submit the proposal for compromise. Then thereafter, matter came up before his honorable court on 14/6. That fixed. He also took time on that day. And I feel that I have instructions, no such proposal has been given.
Lordship, he is suffering from illness. That is no kindly adjourn the matter only for the day, Lordship.
Who is suffering from you? And this council?
Yes, Lordship. Mr. R. Goswami.
Okay, then we may fix it. But the question is that you have been, as per your instruction or as per information, do you have any knowledge about the compromise stock and all?
No, Lordship.
It's not written down. So we go continue
Yes.
for that one or
The senior is not available. Otherwise, my lord, this appeal also filed under Order 41. But this appeal should have been filed under Section 37 of the Arbitration Conciliation. There is a defect, my lord. Against the rejection of this Section 34 application.
okay, then we see this. If it is not supposed to maintainable also.
Yes, yes.
Or otherwise, if there is any compromise and talk of compromise, we is not aware of it.
1 year has elapsed. Nothing has been done.
Miss S. Das on behalf of R. Goswami.
The talk of and proposal has been let's put the after 2 weeks. That is fixed it.
Yes.
Fixed it.
That may be fixed, your lord.
24/5.
Highly.
In this case, my lord, service is complete, my lord. My learned friend is appearing for
Therefore, 1 and 2.
1 and 2.
So service is complete.
Service is complete, my lord. Elsewhere is not necessary, my lord, in this case, because my lord, this appeal is been filed, my lord, against the order of injunction, and
Otherwise, also we have received the answer. So it's ready for hearing.
Yes, ma'am. Ready for hearing, my lord.
My lord,
And so for my instruction, my
proceeding
lord,
is going on in the court below, my lord. And it seems they have already delivered the plan.
Plan is already-
Whatever issues that remain, my lord, that can be settled there, my lord. Nothing is surviving here, so to say. My lord.
already, my lord, 3 flat, my lord, as per agreement, my lord, allotted to them, my lord.
Then what other instructions we have from the client?
No, you-
Suppose
but-
3 flats are already been given. Suppose.
Yes.
Then what
Nothing
is there?
happened, my lord. Yes. It's just, but I have to take instruction from the party, my lord, for withdrawal, my lord.
Let him get the instruction instead of fixing it for hearing. My lord.
The lordship may fix it any day on next week, my lord.
For in hearing column or in order column itself?
In the order column.
Order.
Hard step.
Peace, Islam.
Yeah, right. For the epic now. One. Wait, sub. It is down. Sub. That one. It needs some type is when after
After a week, my lord.
after it. After and up okay, take instruction.
Much obliged.
You're
I'm-
correct.
I am respondent number 1, Lordship.
You're for 1.
I am for respondent number 5 and 6.
5 and 6. You're for 1 and 5 and 6. You're for 5. It's ICICI Bank.
P. Sharma.
NMX.
S. Yes.
S.
S. Yes. On behalf of M. Sharma.
S.
M. Sharma.
M. Sharma for from order for the services 3 and 4. However, service not and for taken and state for number 2 as per report of the Lord according to the this thing is after 3 weeks, this time they are absent and they have not taken a step for record number 4 till now. So we are directing a bit.
Obliged.
I over I record 3 weeks in the
May I please your lordship? Services complete. LCR is also restrict, my lord. They could be fixed.
completed.
Yes, lordship. Sit for hearing.
My lord, for 1 to 4.
1 to 4.
Claim it.
And 5? Anyone is for 5? 6.
As per office note dated 23/8/2023, respondent 5 is also appeared, my lord.
It may fix for hearing, my lord, only, my lord, if date may fix in the next month, any date. It is a 19 matter.
19 minutes.
My lord.
What
P. Bora.
Article Bora.
And
And number 1 and
M.
quarter for this right and it profit as well stock as well as
21 May, my lord, can
21. 21.
oh, 20.
Another date, my lord. 21 is
then 28.
28.
28. Obliged.
Obliged, lordship.
40.
Your lordship, I am the respondent of this case.
Respondent. Which respondent?
The injured. It is an
Sole
injured.
respondent.
Yes, injured case.
Okay, let's go there. The contract is 90.
Your lordship, 1 week. Your lordship, 1 week time may be given for filing objections against the delay.
Applicant are your
Ms. P. Datta.
are and it's for 2 weeks. 2 weeks time will do. Sure.
Commission.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, there is a direction to take steps on the respondents, my lord. So there has been some omission on my part in not taking the steps, my lord. But otherwise, my lord, the respondent number 1 advocate's name has appeared in the cause list, my lord, today. HK Nath.
Number 1. HK Nath.
Direction to take steps on respondent number 1 and 3.
One and
3.
2 is already. Whose name is there?
Lordship may kindly have a look at office note dated 1/12/22. It's a long back, my lord, of course.
One return sufficient.
Two has filed a wakalatnama as per the office note.
So that's probably you are asked to take steps on respondent number 1 and 3.
3, Lord. One Mr. HK Nath's name has been shown in the cause list. Okay. I will take steps, Lordship, for all respondents, again, Lordship, by Dusty, Lordship.
Dusty, we have taken steps for the order now. We have to for Dusty. But
Lordship.
as per office note, it seems that despite of the direction, we have not taken any steps.
Yes, Lordship.
Then take steps.
Lordship, my prayer is that if I can take the steps by way of Dusty, Lordship, if Lordship permits me, I can take it.
Earlier we have taken steps.
Yes.
2 days per day.
Yes, sir.
As per office note, we have done for 1, 5, 4, 6, 1, and outside of here, but right demo, order about step up to 4.
Lordship. Much more. My pleasure, Lordship. Lordship, here, Lordship, respondent number 6 to 9, they have filed their wakalatnama, Lordship. And that's 9. There is already 14 respondents here, Lordship. And 13 and 14 is the government, Lordship. 1 to 5 are not appear in this case. And 10 to 12, they are not appear. Otherwise, Lordship, I have taken step for paper publication. The paper publication dated 15/5/2020. As per direction of this honorable court, Lordship, I have taken step paper publication. Office note dated It's 16/3/2021 law.
The paper publication for whom?
All the respondent lodge.
So you have said that some of the respondents that appeared.
Yes, some of the respondent after publication of the newspaper, 6 to 9 appear. Lord. Others are not appear.
Nine appear.
Yes, Lord. 13, 14 are the government. Lord.
You are the
Performer.
We took steps on respondent for all the respondents to
Yes,
paper
Lord.
publication.
Yes.
And there who appeared?
6 to 9.
9.
6, 7, 8, 9.
And the commented for 13 and 14.
13 and 14.
The other modes were already exhausted.
Yes, Lord.
Other modes of service.
Other modes of service already.
Two newspaper was there. One Assam Tribune.
Assam Tribune and Doinik Assam. Papers are in the record, Lord.
Where from take that 6, 7, 8, 9 has already appeared.
As per office note dated 16/3/2021, Lord. Here is the 6 to 9 they filed their Okalatnama.
9.
Yes.
There are Which one did it? 16?
3/2021. MDAS.
If from subject note number 6, 7, 8, and 9. Appeared in this council. Office note for it. By one and one.
Not really.
What we have called for the
Yes. Interim may be continued, Lordship.
Interim was there?
Yes. Obliged, Lordship.
May it please your lordship. Your lordship, as per office note dated 25/4/24, services duly served upon respondent number 4, your lordship. Respondent number 1, 2, 3 has already entered appearance, your lordship. But as regards respondent number 5, services not completed here.
So you are appealing for
1, 2, and 3, Lordship. Claimant. We have filed cross objection, Lordship.
You filed your cross
objection.
Whether it has come?
It has come. On camera on this.
Okay, effort. Number 1. Fine. Part of the fine. However, the not it up on 5. You want to await. It's not returned.
Lordship, we will take fresh steps upon respondent number 5.
How did it? What to say here regarding cross of
Lordship, we have no objection. It may be admitted here.
for 1. Others are there. Okay. But at say you are 1.
That's paid for the insurance company. We are the appellant in the main.
We are 1 A Punjab Mohammed Ali. You should notice here also. Copy. Copy.
Obliged.
May I please, Lordship? My Lord, the petitioner, my Lord, as per instruction of the petitioner, my Lord, petitioner do not want to praise the petition further.
The consul.
My Lord.
Which one is in I
as well as my Lord FAO.
Then
FAO is not numbered yet, my Lord. I is both my Lord. Because my lord, the title suit is in argument stage, so that petition is pending is not.
Otherwise, we have appeared for one case.
All the respondents.
So, Mr. I.
T-Sheikh, madam.
It's right.
G. Bharat.
G. Bharat. What is the number of this one?
My lord, title suit number, my lord, 94/2014.
It's not yet numbered.
Not numbered, my lord. FA not numbered. Obviously.
I.
Lordship may peruse office note dated 18/3/23, Lordship. I respond number 1 has entered appearance. Respond number 3 also service completed AD card has returned, Lordship, and with sign. And respondent number 2, Lordship, the remark was that the address is out of station for long time, so return to sender. So in terms of this office note, on the last occasion we prayed that we may be allowed to take steps on the present address, that is the new address of the respondent number 2. But now
You have obtained it. I mean,
no, we have made an inquiry by ourselves, but we have come to the opinion that, Lordship, there is no new address, Lordship. The previous address itself is his address. Only because, Lordship, he was not present in his address for a long time, the postal remark was given in such a manner, and also we also thought that he had maybe changed address. But his existing address is his present address. There is no new address, so we may be allowed to take fresh steps in his existing address, that is the previous address. Fresh steps on the respondent number 2 in the address as mentioned in the IA, Lordship.
As per office note dated 93, you have not taken any step till now.
No. Actually, that man was out of station for long period, Lordship. Otherwise, before the learned trial court also, MACT also, in the same address only he appeared. You may be allowed to take fresh steps in the address as mentioned in the IA. Previous address. Within 1 week. GJ Sharma, Lord.
Your for the F1.
Respondent number 1.
And for office note. Out for further from the office note 9 captain number number 9 very good the captain was fixed it on the platform could not Let me what three. Red.
Much okay. Okay. Please, your lordship. Lordship, may kindly tell the office note dated 15/11/23, my lord.
Yes, 53. So notice that answer not what number? Solid.
Sole respondent. The service report regarding notice issued upon respondent number 2, usual process has not been received in the concerned section, my lord. And we have taken steps for second time, my lord. For second time, my lord, we have taken.
So, could that be
Not possible, my lord, it is Nepal, my lord. Very difficult.
how the people from Nepal is connected?
I know I have little experience about. Lordship, may kindly see the address, my lord. Riddhi Private Limited, Gandak Chowk, Pahwari, Post Office, Birganj, Nepal, via Raktol, Bihar. Nearest Bihar, Bihar border.
So everything service will
Maybe.
this can be have it, but
Yes. Legal process not yet in file.
as per 11/8/2020 already did.
Yes.
The office was asked to verify regarding the service of notice or have taken any step.
My lord.
As per office no, as per order dated 11/8/2023,
Yes, my lord.
the office was asked to verify regarding steps. Okay, then as per service no, office no dated 11.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, but PGC, ma'am.
Okay. Uh, 15 lakh yeah, everything for
Yes, ma'am. Obliged, ma'am.
Please, your lordship. Your lordship, as per office note dated 30/11/2023, respondent number 1 appeared and notice on respondent number 2 written unserved with remarks near Samta Bhavan. So I may kindly be allowed your lordship to take a fresh step on respondent number 2.
you are for number 1. Mr.
You Agarwal.
You Agarwal. Answer. This answer. The remark effect. Here, some problem. According to sub. Not
After 6 weeks, in the matter of file, there is delay of 872 delays. So I file an objection.
4 weeks. 6 weeks. Every content number 1.
My lord, this matter may be taken after 1 week, my lord. Learned counsel is out of station, my lord. Mr. Ayanda.
It's a contradiction. There's a contradiction.
I don't know, my lord. Mr. Learned counsel in das, my lord. He is out of station, my lord.
You are appealing for
Respondent number 1.
1. Also heart.
P. Borua.
Heart. After 1 week.
1 week, my lord.
What?
Oblige me.
May please lordship. In this case, I need some more time to file an objection because they file an IA for 1884 for modification, vacation, and payment of 50% because this is a case is defined. So, so I need to file. I prepare, my lord. I have prepared, but I am able to. But 6 or 17, my lord. In the meantime, I furnish the copy.
Well, in IA you want to file the
I filed an affidavit in opposition against the IA. IA filed by my learned friend, respondent number 1, 1884/2023.
In 1884 you want to file your objection.
Yes.
Short date may be given for filing.
17th of May. Very short date.
Epic file by June.
My lord.
Epic heart.
No paper is written.
75 1.
17.
I or I.
No paper.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, in this matter, service is completed and LCR is received. So kindly matter will be come up for hearing.
Already.
I am pretty sole respondent.
Sole?
Yes, sir.
What happened?
Anand Sharma. M. Kolita.
Sole.
Oblige.
My lord, kindly peruse the office note dated 25/4/24, my lord. Service is complete upon respondent number 1 and 4, my lord. And service may be awaited on respondent number 2 and 3, my lord.
So your application.
Respondent number 1. My lord, in the meantime, my lord, this honorable court passed an order in IA number 3579 directed the appellant to deposit 10 lakh rupees, but the same
Okay,
was not yet deposited. On 6/12/23.
We have to collect instruction from the company, my lord. In this, so 1 week time may we allow, my lord.
Now, here in this case, I am not in a position to pass any order. The matter has already been disposed of.
Yeah.
If you have any grievances, then you can file an IA. By the time she is already submitted.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Only they may be directed to deposit as per the order of the honorable.
No problem, my lord.
3579. This honorable court passed the order on 6/12/2023.
I am appealing for respondent number 4.
What to await?
Yes, my lord. 1 week, only 1 week time, my lord.
That as per order, okay, about one.
Yes, my lord. Oblige me.
A date may be fixed, it will be convenient.
Next week.
May please, your lordships. As per office note dated 26/9/2023, service to the respondent number 5 is returned with a postal note addressing move. So we may be allowed to take fresh steps upon respondent number 5. Lord.
I am appearing one.
Other remaining respondent, other
Remain-
respondent,
1 to
already
4.
appeared.
1 to 4 years.
1 to 4. एक खान
সিটি আছে I
For con- yes,
already did it.
yes,
Fixed it.
yes.
much obliged.
Then accept
Much obliged.
My lord, service is complete. There is delay of 50 days only, my lord.
I may
So
be-
delay may be condemned, my lord.
You're for 1 and
I'm appealing for respondent number 1, Lord.
1.
Claim.
Okay. Who is 2?
2 is, my lord, already appeared. My 2 is owner,
is
my
the
lord.
owner?
Owner, my lord.
Yes, Lordship. In the main list, Lordship, my name may be shown.
The name is Tripurva.
People.
Name is also checked.
In the main list. After delay condonation. In the main list, otherwise.
Order पास पे जाता पहले from that one that how many days?
50 days.
About why your delay has been acted where?
Para 4, 5 and 6, my lord.
Why delay?
Explained in para 4, 5 and 6, my lord.
Oh.
Yes, my lord.
What is the ground?
My lord, just my lord.
Could not arrange
Office, my lord.
Yes?
My procedure, my lord, in explaining for my lord, files and file and my lord, files are required to rotate from office to another office, my lord. And thereafter,
Official formality.
yes, my lord.
For five. But
Yes, obliged, my lord. 38, same, my lord. Same order, my lord. Same order, my lord.
here, how many days?
50, only 50.
People.
50 effectively.
May. Yes, yes.
Let us 3 days. I
Obliged, my lord.
May I please? The appeal arising out of Employee Compensation Commission, there is a delay of 430 days. My learned friend is appearing for all the respondents.
I'm appearing
It's
for.
the expert order we are assailing, Millet. The order was passed on 14/3/2022. We came to know in the month of October. On inquiry, it was found that the case was fixed on the date, but it was never taken up. For instance, Millet,
delay is of
430 days.
430 days.
Millet. The expert order.
So, what have
Four-
not filed
Lord-
any application.
430 days is not a short period, Lord. It's a long.
I'm saying
We'll file application.
if necessary definitely file or if the ground is there, then there is. But yes, because it is 430 days.
430 days.
So, for all the how many weeks?
I'll have to do it.
Well, public.
Not yet. Not yet.
May I please tell us? My lord,
So you are appealing for
we are for the respondent.
for the respondent.
Yes. My lord, in this
This
case,
is not yet issued. I for what? Is I for delay? I is for delay condition.
yes, they have filed, the appellant has filed the IA
Definitely.
for condonation of delay.
Huh.
It is delayed by 482 days.
No, why I'm asking you? I don't know if there is any caveat and all because that's why.
Yes, caveat. We filed the
was-
caveat. Yes.
That's why you are here.
We filed the caveat, but without giving notice, my lord, appeal has been filed. And moreover, my lord, the
Appeal has been filed with, okay, then appeal has been filed and this is contradiction one.
yes,
Petition.
as per provision of law, my lord, appeal memo has to be accompanied by a certificate to the effect that the awarded amount of compensation has been deposited before the commissioner. That has not been done. Amount has not been deposited. So, my lord, without depositing, the appeal cannot be filed. And caveat is there, without serving notice, my lord, they cannot file the appeal. So, my lord, two options.
You are not 40.
So, my lord, two options. Either appellant may be directed to furnish copies of the condonation petition and the appeal memo. Copies may be furnished to us. They may be directed. Or we may be allowed, my lord, alternately, we may be allowed to take out copies from your lordship's record. Jamal.
Okay, I have given that it have already
No, my. Master.
Lordship, this is listed for the first time. There is a delay petition. I think notice will follow. Lordship? Yes, Lordship. Highly obliged.
Sole respondent. Sole respondent. The condonation petition is.
Yes, they have, the other side is absent. The applicant shall be applicant remain exceptional for.
My name is
For your for?
NFL Union of India, A.K. Dotto. A.K. Dotto.
A.K.
CGC.
Art.
CG.
as Dr. appearing at for planet CTC or it it's do you want to file any objection here? How many days?
No, no objection. Only 4 days, my. Only 4 days.
It's accordingly after what? It's accordingly after what? It will dispose of the matter, but they are absent. We are listing it after 1 week.
May it please your Lordship. Lordship, pursuant to order dated 6/10/2023, Lordship, the appellant was directed to take steps for amending the cost title.
Wait, where from the take? Wait a minute. Order dated
6/10/2023. Lordship, we were directed to take steps for amending the cost title to reflect the address of the respondent number 3. The address of the respondent number 3 is changed, my lord. So now the current address is reflected in the order dated 6/10/2023. So Lordship,
it's an order or
order of the Lajima Court. Of the Lajima Court. So accordingly, we have preferred this IA, my lord, for amending the cost title to reflect the address of the respondent number 3. I may be allowed to amend the cost title, my lord, so that we can take first steps upon the respondent.
So you're for 1 and
I am hearing for respondent 1, Lordship.
1 and you're for 2. Three respondents with it.
My lord, so far as 3 is concerned, my lord, we need...
No. Altogether 3 respondents.
Yes, my lord.
1 and 2 has already
appeared. 3 is there.
So in the amending the percentage, you can have enough. I
M. Sharma.
One. Big purpose. That's into comma consider or big. It happens one is for order of God and then I is required for amending object detecting the present address of the respondent number 3. That's what you are
D. Mohanto, Lordship. On behalf of Mr. B. Sharma.
Appearing on behalf of Mr. Sharma, correspondent number 2. And MS. And then Sharma appearing. You are also appearing because of K. Kukut. For the standing council. NF or what?
Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of NF.
I go to NF. We know what when it's appearing on K. Kukut. Please know which is accordingly by amended cost that of the that is FS department by amended cost that of the response number comma consider for
I may be allowed to take fresh steps upon the record.
main person and the order basket heights. The appellant is hereby directed amendment for that reflecting the present address of the phone number 6 and also to take it.
Deeply obliged. Much obliged. May it please your lordship, can it be taken after some time, maybe at 2 lordship?
What is the case? This is in order column. What is the
Yes,
I have appeared as for respondent lordship.
Yes.
There is some interim order. They might be paying for continuation of that order.
There is some urgency in the matter, your lordship, and I am not having the brief currently with me.
I am paying
Lordship
some
may
time
take-
for filing my reply on the petition, the injunction petition.
Lordship may take up it at 2 lordship.
So what is your prayer effect? Urgency in this sense
Urgency
going
is
to
that
be
there
able
is some violation of the injunction order passed by this honorable court, and to that effect we have filed one IA, lordship. So our urgency is that they are
I must
violate.
they are going to file a
No, that I is not on the record, lordship.
Oh, I is not on the record.
If they file any IA for violation of the injunction, then that is not in the record.
So I.
After that,
So what is your IA number?
I am not having the number, lords. Kindly take it up at 2 lordship.
Okay then. Okay, let's at 2.
Yes.
Obliged.
okay. Of the land, and after 7 days, if there is any changes,
I can
then-
place it now also. I can place it now.
No,
I'm
no,
having all the
today's-
photographs.
today's
Based on that photographs, I'm saying, I'm not saying they have encroached. But I'm saying that to enforce the status quo order, there is no illegality in passing any order with regard to
Lordship
that.
may allow me some time to file my
No,
report.
why they need
I shall
time,
file
some
it and
time?
then the order will be passed.
Why they need the time? In the meantime, they will encroach upon the land.
No.
Then because he is
Because
taking
it is
time, lordship. In the
already-
meantime, the lordship may pass an order with
Already
regard
the
to
land is under
enforcing.
my possession, lordship. The land is already in my possession. There is no-
That is the thing, lordship.
already in my possession.
That is the thing.
Before
Ah.
passing that order. But
That
before
is the
passing
thing.
that status
Ah.
quo order. Therefore, how now by taking the order of enforcement,
No, no.
they will take me from my
No,
land.
no, no. It's not a question of. It's a question of maintaining the status quo as on today. That means the
Status quo,
person
that
who
is
is in possession, he will remain in
Yes,
possession.
I am in possession. I am.
Then what is the harm
then
in getting
if-
the
if
getting
I am
the
in
order
possession,
from enforcement?
If I am in possession, what will the police do? Will they take me from that land?
No,
Because it was
they will not do
status
it to
quo. Then
enforce.
what
Status
the
quo
use
to
of-
maintain.
What is the use of the police force?
Lordship, here in this
Police
case, there is
itself.
no injunction restraining the defendant to enforce upon the shoot land. There is no injunction
No,
order.
no.
Only thing is the status
Not
quo to maintain.
Yes.
Status quo means
is
what?
maintained.
The plaintiff is in possession of a particular plot of land, defendant is in possession of a particular plot of land. They will maintain status quo. They will not disturb the possession of the other. So if the police enforce this particular thing, how they are going to be prejudiced by that? And if it is not enforced, then the plaintiff will suffer
In what
prejudice.
form police is going to enforce it?
Lordship, with regard to the status quo order, the
How,
status
in what form? What manner?
by placing some police personnel there, by ascertaining the fact whether it has been violated or not, because they can do something.
Yeah, as per your submission, it is still not. It's not violated.
Exactly, lordship.
And
Exactly. If the police personnel is given necessary direction with regard to that, at least they will be having the information with regard to the fact the status quo order has been passed by this honorable court. Because the plaintiff went to the police station, I have given a statement with regard to that.
Tomorrow can.
Tomorrow, lordship. I will place the photograph with regard to that.
I have to file my reply. At least sometime necessary. They are from Golaghat, lordship.
Lordship,
It is
I
not
can
possible
place
to-
my photographs with regard to the fact that they are intending to encroach upon the land. Because being a common man, I will not be in a position to resist them. At least the police personnel come to the place and tell them that don't encroach upon the land because the status quo order is in force. Because the Dasti service direction was there, they refused to accept the notice, and thereafter this status quo order has been filed. this enforcement of the status quo order has been filed. Because Dosti service, when the plaintiff went to the place to serve the copy of this honorable court, he has refused to accept the notice. And now, on the pretext of filing the objection, in the meantime they will encroach upon the land and they will say that no, that was never been handed over.
Any long time.
So I'll place the photograph. If your lordship pleases, I will place the photograph tomorrow itself. Because they are not going to be prejudiced anyway. If the court passes an order to enforce the status quo, they are not going to be prejudiced, lordship. Why he is raising objection with regard to that particular prayer of the petitioner?
Why unnecessarily police personnel is to be there? That's
Because I am not in a position to enforce. Because I cannot restrict. I cannot restrain these persons to stop, don't come to my place. I cannot do that. At least if the police comes to the place,
Your place in essence, he is, as per him, he is under the land is.
he is not in possession. He is not in possession. He is intending to encroach upon my land because
He is not in a position.
he is not in a position. That is
my
the
lordship. How
Arre
can I
Baba,
not be in
that I know,
position?
lordship. He is originally he was the owner of the land. Then he executed sale deed and accordingly possession was handed over to me.
That sale
I am
deed is-
running my business. Let me submit.
That sale deed is not
Let me complete
maintainable
my
in the eye of
submission.
law.
Then
That is not enforceable.
lordship, I have been running my business from that particular plot of land. Now when I filed the suit, now he has woke up from the slumber. Now he is intending to encroach upon my land. So that is the reason of when I approach this honorable court, the status quo order has been granted. Now I am just praying before this honorable court to pass a necessary order so that it can be enforced. Because being a common man, I cannot resist them. Because this is the law and order situation also there. This will create some sort of problem with regard to the law and order. So at least if the police personnel there, if they communicate that thing to the concerned defendant, they don't encroach upon the land because this land is in some sort of status is there.
Wednesday, Thursday can be.
We may meet on Thursday.
Thursday.
Yeah.
You have Mr. Amtida?
SP Chaudhary. Lord.
Oh, sorry, SP Chaudhary. Okay. Applicant.
Arthur.
You have not received the copy?
Yes.
Sir. The date Thursday will be 2/5. Next, on Friday, Thursday itself, if it is supposed, in any case, you cannot file the between the protection.
Yeah.
As per his consideration, something that the matter is urgent. So, we can submit the objection to verbal submission will also. If in case, suppose, because your verbal submission will record it and pass it. And in what is the FAO is the main case is concerned?
The FAO has already been admitted.
It's already
The other injunction, the status quo order is there. That should be maintain the status quo till 23/2024.
What they
Since
want
my
to-
learned friend is
what
appearing.
Their intention, I want to say before your lordship, the plaintiff is in possession of a small portion, 1.5 kotha only. Total land is 1 bigha 3 kotha. And now by enforcing this order, they are trying to occupy entire land, showing that this is under status quo, so you should not enter.
No, it's a status quo.
There was a document they are protecting. There is a still only one signature there. No, it is not registered. It is a Miadi land, and there is no signature of witnesses also. So they are placing this, and on the side by side they are taking the plea that the land has been occupied for 12 years and therefore adverse possession. So actually the land was given him on rent at the rate of 48,000 per month.
No, this will come in the injunction
this will
petition.
come,
So
yeah. But
whatever
it is necessary-
you want
it
to
is
submit.
necessary for the court to know
So now you
the
are appealing
background.
for 1 and 2.
Yes.
No, he will submit a detailed
And for one
written
and
statement with regard to that.
No, I shall submit, but
He can
the-
take
I
all
shall-
these pleas.
I shall file reply, and that instance shall be filed. But the court, this court also should know what is the
Status
what
quo
is the
lordship.
background.
Status quo means the person
And
who is in
also
possession, he will
main
remain in
suit is-
possession.
The main suit itself is defective because he is taking the contradictory plea of purchasing the land and also for adverse possession. That both stand is not maintainable. Therefore, this injunction order.
The question is that we will hear the matter on this on Thursday.
Yes, sir.
And at present, the service is completed. You have
Service is
already
completed.
admitted. So, it is already admitted. The record is that with us. LCR is there with us.
LCD is otherwise not required, lordship. This is with regard to the fact that a notice was issued only. When the injunction was moved before the learned trial court, notice was issued. And it has been put to challenge before this honorable court.
will be listed on the.
Oblige.
Oblige.
May it please your lordship. Your lordship, this matter has come up for the first time, your lordship. There has been a delay of 31 days in filing the appeal.
31 days.
31 days, lordship. Obliged. 46 also, your lordship, it has come up for the first time, delay of 60 days in filing the appeal.
Same category.
Yes, ma'am.
These two methods come for take